Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
The tracker is a crewmate role that reveals enemy movement briefly. Activate the tracking ability to see footprints or a marker for 6 seconds. Ability imposes a 20-second cooldown before you can track again. Range is limited to about 8 meters, so prioritize nearby suspects. You cannot track while performing tasks or during meetings. Stay aware. Trackers often coordinate with scanners, visual tasks, and dead body reports. Use the ability sparingly to avoid revealing cooldown timing to imposters. Practice tracking in online lobbies to learn visual cues and timings. Start tracking when you suspect a specific player after a kill is reported. Follow footprints to lead crewmates to bodies or isolate an imposter. Ping your findings quickly using the map ping or chat to coordinate. Avoid tracking during reactor or lights emergencies unless you can finish fast. Combine tracking with visual tasks to confirm crewmate alibis or catch liars. Remember, imposters can fake paths. Verify with security cameras and reported times. Use tracking to bait imposters into revealing sabotage patterns and return routes. Practice measuring 6-second tracking windows for consistent pursuit and capture. Play defensively when you are tracked. Use vents and teammates for confusion. Imposters should avoid predictable paths and use double back tricks within 8 meters. Crewmates can fake tracking by running near vents then performing visual tasks. Report cooldown awareness. Noting 20-second windows can outplay an observant imposter. Use task timing and security logs to cross-reference tracked movements precisely. Avoid overusing tracking. Imposters learn patterns and adapt within a few rounds. Communicate concise facts only. Say name, time, and location when accusing someone. Practice with friends to refine 20-second cooldown.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.